sir. And
ভাল সময় আমি আগে যিখিনি পেৰেণ্ট ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট কংগ্ৰেছ কমিটি পেৰেণ্ট নাগালেণ্ড পাব্লিক মিটিং উইথ শ্ৰী এছ শুভম পেৰেণ্ট জমিৰ ওপেন উইং পৰা আমাৰ খানা মাদাম আহি কিনে আছে আৰু আমাৰ খানাত ডিগ্নেটাৰিজ এনপিচিচি পৰা আহি কিনে চব মানুহকে আজি আমাৰ খান পেৰেণ্ট ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট একদম अपने खान के वेलकम करे से
असेंबली लगा पार्टी अगेंस्ट नोइले खान हमगन लगा अगेंस्ट नोइले बीजेपी आरएसएस से ताई खान लगा मोदी ताई खान लगा भावना की ऐसे तो कि ना हमगन सब जाने ऐसे जो साल मणिपुर लगा सिचुएशन सब अनु जाने ऐसे 230 चार्जेस दिवाइस रे मणिपुर में Aji tang BJP kan not even a word condemnation Quran hai. India amakan laga RSS kan BJP government 2024 da ahishe koilam ne Nagaland ta kan direct to ami ke hit nukru de but supply ami kan
Christian ase kole mane ami ko aise partner bhi bisi koribo lage bahut diatan de bhi hath de Congress laga support hatte board di lage ini ko aise
imbio problem do solve korjibo koina modi government misa koisi do amar imbio sister kan lobi brothers kan lo idu bra daigan misa kwa manu laga government laga di do job nidibo koina daigan election bra abstain kore ase do amar imbio people kan do epar kota ulale ओसा कोता दी ताइगन चेंज न करे खाली भी ताइगन आमा abstain होबो बोलिना स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया बरा रिव्यू करबी 31st डिसेंबर डे अपने लगा की रिकमेंडेशन आसे पता भी होसे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट बरा पेपर दो रिकमेंडेशन करबो त्या नहीं तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अगेंस्ट दी ताइगन वोट abstain करे से तो Modi government iman tukai dia se. Modi government aha do kina ka use. First year aha logo takan tinda agenda loi kina ise. Ayuda temple banabo minority agency asile tubi banai dise. Citizenship Amendment Act itu amend gurise. Itu amend guradam di ki koise amar sob education bi jaisido Citizenship Amendment Act ahibo nidibo ina amar sob strike project Modi government iman chalak ra Citizenship Amendment Parliament pass kore ase Nagaland effect no hobo ঠিক আছে তো পিতর de ki banaise mok pra resolution pra dole itu rules to Nagaland effect no hobo kide bhi no hobo hole bhi practically sob to naga manu loi effect hobole ase kinaka yadi Pakistan manu nai do Nagaland Afghanistan manu nai do Bangladesh manu nai do ekta duda side di takibo pare Bangladesh laga to itu tinda laga country brahi Citizenship Amendment Act itu pass kuri dise itu kan manukan ki India citizen di dibo kun kan 2018 brahi na thaki ase itu kan ki citizenship di dile kali India laga passport loi kina inner line permit kurile India manu noi jabi kobo paribo amaga na paribo to kuti takibo degan sob Nagaland aibo hilly ready jabo tribal area effect ho jabo northeast effect ho jabo practically technical Amendment Act itu impose nai. Practically everything will suffer our own people. Modi government laga chalak tu iman tak kurese amang travel laga against it. Idia aro taikan laga resolution ekta Pogobam bra amakan pishi murum kurese bula as Nagaland for Christ kuabra. Uniform Civil Code pass kurma paranai within 10 years. Itu last baki ase. This time, 2024, Uniform Civil Code to kinabo. Modi government aile within 2 months. Takan Uniform Civil Code lagai dibo. Aro itu nisina amambi Modi government logo alliance laga party ekta amaga laga conscious para chaigina vote digina amar nijor vote digina Modi government logo join group digina ek muina 2 muina majudi Uniform Civil Code parliament di pass kurigina ahigina amaga laga culture tradition aro custom religion bilai di bole kuribo na amagan nohobo amang sob ikilugi kara kuribo itia to chi olibi Modi government ahibo nidibo amar Christianity protect kuribo lage socialism secularism itu hartai se golemi no religions free is all out why is itu ekta ase third Mizoram government to hole nohobo do amal laga state ikina ona Sunday di election counting kuribo nohobo church can be nohobo goise public bi nohobo goise to Monday di jagina purise Nagaland do amal Sunday di pradna kurigina church di poi daganle tapi by election puri politics why state government then they don't have a guts and rights to complain they are under the directives of BJP and RSS. High command against two group na pare to taigan. Aro ide aman sob koi dagisina nijur chokadi RSS Modi activities to punji jaise 5 kgs of rice along with Modi picture. Aman choka punji jaise to ide. And many of us innocent people will say that Modi to free chaul diya se Modi laga chaul guys Modi laga chaul brainwash kure ase to that is the RSS policies chaul lole bi Modi laga picture to tadi rakhi di na chaul loi jabi nole chokadi loi jale RSS to apni laga choka bi punji jaise itu nisna activities bi punji kina taga dandi Amagan Pura BJP RSS Alliance candidate PTA ki vote hali digna olai digna Uniform Civil Code to ahi chale ki hobo Christianity is out because one religion that is Hinduism one language that is Hindi one law that is for the Indian Hindu law. One country. That's true. Itu hi hui jaise. To taji amaga laga ki right ase. Article 371A will be automatically out. Article 371A to ki jai to Jammu and Kashmir laga Article 370 bi ini bilai dibo parele Article 371A bi bilabole for Modi it is not difficult. Idu bilale no custom, no culture, no tradition. That means amar Naga culture, tradition, custom so bharai jabo. Under one law Hindu. No religion, no Christianity. Minority tribe kan Nepali hobi, Muslim kan hobi. Amar minority tribe kan la rights be pura jaise. Because we are going to live under one constitution, one law, one religion. Itu situation ay boleh aside. Naga manu lor imbal di nisina church bangi digina on the spot mari digina inuka hana itupra aman nipikai Assam di school jabul takpi napari gina aro church kan amar Christianity kan idia ki life kinaga in hobo gina to Quran isina Nagaland di amar top napai itupra nipikai holy this is the 19 April is the counting day is countdown day for the Nagas for the Christianity and for the Nagas indigenous ito ekta hijabo on that day whether our Nagas are really believer or not uchin gurbo secular party laga uchin olo uthai dibo na uniform civil code laga party ki uthai dibo now our Nagas has to think it over amar Christian amar laga tradition nemidi uchin do uthai dibo na secular party Congress logo marigina na RSS directive ti taga itu laga uchin hi ulo uthai dibo itu uthai gina ahigina amangi mathati marigina chipai dibole itu kuribo na tas it depends on 19 the date of 19 April is a holy war day for all of us itu bara aman tadi sob nagi aman itu koigina chabo lage if we cause in favor of the secularism party has given the 5 Karandi for all of us apart from 28 29 30 the major portion of the 5 Karandis are maki karone tinda scheme ase koan nisina every woman amar nisina to kurigina taka korde in a year echungi 1 lakh dibo 50% job reservations for magi karone aro ito for that Anganwadi workers koan nisina that is a 3 priority scheme for the women amar pachakan amar kor manukan karone ekta scheme to ase Scooty julakan, auto julakan, online delivery boys kan karuni, insurance scheme, pension scheme, embedded tai kan pick up karuni itu incentive didibo. Then the third one is India di 30 lakhs job vacancy ase. Nagaland be 1,140 post vacancy. Sandra di ito boss to 30 lakhs appointment kura logo judi amar Congress Sandra di rolling ahe amagan sob miligina amigi patai Nagaland bi 140 vacancy taka to fill up ho jabo Sandra laga bi anigina di 5,000 crore rupees for all of us educated youth employed ki it was so karuni entrepreneurship khulibo karuni India di itu release kubo. Amar Nagaland bi share negina. Those are the Chindian entrepreneurs. They will get the share. Itu nisida scheme gando. Aro amar farming bisi kumde ase. Kiti kura manu kumde ase. Loan kiti kura tamde loan loa. Amagan itya kumba tagibo. Holibi itu laga loan bi tibo. Limited time, itu time di itu sai kena itu aro loan maaf kuri di boleh iman tapi aro kiti kurakan karuni bi ekta scheme anias. There's a lot of schemes itu sob to si olibi amakan anegina amar itu beneficiaries to panchayat. I am only a soldier. We all are the soldiers. We are going for the holy war. And the battlefield is on 19. Ajila election to ole national party, national against the BJP RSS party, policy against the Karagura se. State the BJP Davagambe Aijabi, NDDB Aijabi, Tosra party, MD Kwan Islabi Aijabi, NBB Gambe Aijabi, Soba Aijabi, Naga Manulaga, Christianity, culture, custom is more important than our political colors. I would like to appeal our dear citizens, let us be an honest soldier to fight for the rights. Aro, Solonda Gangibi, Koidibi, ito election to Tosra Nisina Nohoy, Dibodi Chief Minister, Carmen Laga intention to Dikai Dishe, among sop Congress, ito dole, BJP, ito RSS, la police, ito haray di bole do, secular, dole secular to Congress, ito pala, aman ito koi daga do sop hunil ito do tayo. Taga Mondi, 19D, Council, Ward Authorities, GPs, Tubashis kani, lagay di gina, amang sop ke ahibole nidi gina, taga kong kuri di bo. Home Minister ase, police kami sob talaga under GSA. Itu sob internal plan do, kuri ay na camping program di, ni chane kina mo pura ulay sa sido. Dahil, kini kamu itu, kile public dictator dibo, kini kuri boleh cabuli TV. Kampurakan, village council kampura, lohi kina sob ekta sabi mari TV na. State government lagay ekta deputy chief minister bra. Imanda kubo paramani 19D amakan kaunde situation tayo laga preparation itu ase de kuahi ase Congress kan secular party murung burakan itu ki baribo lage nijor council member ki kubo lage kop nukuribo ward authority jan kubo lage kop kuribo lengi dibo amar itia to le for the cause. This election is not only for a seat, but this election will be for the cause of the Nagas, for the Christianity, for the traditions, and for the customs. Idobra, we are worried for your council members. We are worried for your Tabashis. We are worried for your Kampuras, because we want to save the custom. We are worried for the Christianity, for the pastors, and the delusions. Let us come together, save this situation. Itu sob amal perang polen ini. Aro itu kue kina election dindi naile sob loss. Itu berapa kue kina jabo 19 dia amal sob ay kina. Major berarti right ase papi ase amal sob tadi vote has polen ini. It will be safe for you and me. And it will be safe for our upcoming younger generation. Thank you.